Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a new era of eye protection. In this fast-paced world, safety should always come first, and that's where MELASA Safety Goggles step in. Introducing the MELASA Safety Goggles, the perfect blend of comfort, style, and most importantly, uncompromising safety. These goggles aren't just any ordinary pair. Let's dive into what makes them extraordinary. First and foremost, these goggles meet ANSI 87.1 safety goggles standards and CN 166 certificate requirements. Designed for industrial, commercial, and household use, you can trust their reliability. The crystal clear polycarbonate lens boasts anti-fog and anti-scratch coatings. Whether you're in a lab woodworking or even cutting onions in the kitchen, you'll always have a wide, clear field of vision. Comfort is key. The soft edge design and wraparound PVC frame offer maximum comfort. They're lightweight, bendable, and you'll hardly feel any pressure. Suitable for men, women, workers, students, even kids. We've designed these goggles to be versatile. They fit comfortably over most glasses, and the adjustable elastic strap ensures a secure fit. Plus, with 4 vents, you'll get maximum airflow while keeping out dust and particulates. But wait, there's more! These goggles aren't just for the workplace. They're perfect for a variety of tasks, from lab experiments to woodworking, electric welding, painting, construction sites, and even your DIY projects at home. No matter what you're doing, the MELASA Safety Goggles have got you covered. And the best part, these goggles are easy to clean and built to last. Made with a sturdy polyvinyl chloride PAF frame and a polycarbonate lens, they'll be your trusty companion for a long time. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what our satisfied customers have to say. Experience the MELASA Safety Goggles difference for yourself. Watch as they effortlessly tackle different situations, providing you with unparalleled protection and clarity. So whether you're in the garden, yard work, woodworking, electric welding, polishing, paint spraying, or working on a construction site in the lab, or just doing some DIY at home, choose MELASA Safety Goggles. Because when it comes to safety, there's no compromise. Protect your eyes. They're your windows to the world. Link in comment box. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep exploring.